Weird. Alright, so there's this bird stuck in our neighbor's window. He's not popping up. But Caroline went outside and she saw this bird flapping around. Come on, guy. Yeah, see?
Oh,
He's stuck in the window. How weird is that?
What do you do in that situation? You're not supposed to touch him.
Fried chicken. Well, he doesn't look like a baby bird, I'm sure.
No, you're not supposed to touch any wild birds. It's just not.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's just not a good thing.
Oh. Well, I don't know then. Well, her landlord's coming, so... Oh, he's peeking up. Hey. It's kind of neat seeing a bird this close up, but... I don't know. It seems like the top, that divide... It's... Oh, there he goes. Seems like the top is actually open, so he climbed in, but I guess he can't manage to climb out. But... Her landlord's coming soon, and... Oh! Oh, yeah!
Freedom!
Woo! Freedom!
Freedom!
Yeah! Good job, bird! Woo! Give a woo! Give a woo!
Woo!
Woo! Birds.